Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to buy XRP on Ledger Live. Only way. Connect your Ledger hardware wallet to Ledger Live and open the manager. Verify the device firmware is up to date, then add an XRP account from the Accounts tab. Make sure your recovery phrase is safe and never shared. Use the provided on-device confirmations to approve each transaction for secure custody. Next, choose Buy within Ledger Live and pick a supported third-party provider to purchase XRP directly to your account. Enter the amount in fiat or crypto and confirm the total fees displayed. Complete the provider's verification if required, then approve the on-device confirmation to allow the incoming deposit. Always double-check the destination account and network to avoid mistakes and ensure funds land in your Ledger account. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money, and it pairs nicely with smart crypto saving habits. I find its plain advice complements on-chain investing well, so check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After purchase, confirm the receiving address on your Ledger device exactly as shown in Ledger Live to prevent address substitution. Monitor the transaction status in the Accounts tab and wait for network confirmations before treating funds as available. If needed, copy the transaction ID and check it on a Ledger Explorer to verify completion. Keep your device connected until the process finishes to avoid interrupted transfers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.